Listening B1 English Listening Practice. Explore creativity. Today we're going to discuss a really special topic, creativity. We usually think that creativity is only for artists, but it's a valuable skill that enriches our lives and helps solve everyday problems. What is creativity? Creativity is the ability to use imagination to develop new things. Whether it's creating a work of art, devising a unique solution, or inventing a new game, creativity involves producing something that didn't exist before. Conversely, a lack of creativity often means following existing patterns or instructions without deviation. This is necessary but less fulfilling. The role of creativity in work and daily life. In many professional settings, strict adherence to rules and plans is crucial for efficiency and safety. However, there are times when thinking outside the box is needed to improve methods or solve unforeseen problems. Balancing these can lead to better results and innovation. Encouraging creativity in children. Creativity begins at a young age. I remember my childhood, spending endless days playing outside, where my friends and I created games from our imaginations. This form of play is crucial as it develops problem-solving skills and cognitive flexibility. However, with the rise of digital entertainment, today's children are less likely to engage in creative play and instead passively consume content, which can limit their creativity development. The consequences of limited creativity. A lack of creativity can have profound effects, especially in children. It may lead to a decline in problem-solving abilities, reduced empathy, and poorer communication skills. Conversely, an overly permissive creative environment can also pose challenges, making it difficult for children to understand boundaries and rules. How to foster creativity? Engaging in activities that challenge you to think differently. Art activities like drawing, writing, or performing arts are great, but less traditional tasks like cooking a new recipe or gardening can be equally effective. Creative thinking can be integrated into many aspects of life. Discussion questions. Let's reflect on creativity together. Can you think of a time when creativity helped solve a problem? How does digital media consumption affect our creativity? What ways can we encourage children to engage in more creative activities?